So when I was talking about the steering being all squirrely on this thing, like I was driving it, and basically it's kind of a white knuckle affair. I had to saw the wheel quite a bit back and forth. If it was windy, it was hard to keep the damn thing in the lane. So I was thinking a lot to do with the steering. I took it down into alignment, verified. Everything was pretty good to go. I could tell I knew my ball joints had a little play in them, so that's why I replaced them with those Terraflex ball joints. Did that center link coming off the pippin arm. Still had a lot of play in the steering wheel. I did stop, so what I did, probably definitely worth checking. Just a second here. Finagle your coolant overflow bottle out. See if I can get a shot down in there. Right there in the dead center, you see yellow paint is the top of your steering box, and that is a backlash adjustment screw for your steering gear. So if you have your Jeep sitting in the driveway, steering wheel straight ahead, and you can take it and you can move the steering wheel quite a bit back and forth. That's slop, most likely probably slop in your steering box. So what you can do is it's got a lock nut on there, 16 millimeter if I remember right. You just break that lock nut loose, hold it with a boxed in wrench, put a flathead screwdriver in it, and tighten it up about 1/8 of a turn to 1/4 of a turn, and then tighten that lock nut back down real tight, and then see how much play you got in your steering wheel. Test drive it if it's good to go. If it's getting better, you know, continue to make adjustments until it gets you where you want it to be. And if you do it too tight, you know, it's going to have some oversteer. You'll be able to tell you have to back it off a little bit. So small adjustments, keep going from there. But that right there took care of 90% of the steering problem I had as far as it wandering all over the road. So now it's pretty responsive. I don't have hardly any play on my steering wheel, and I'm much happier with the way the Jeep drives down the road every day as a daily driver. So just a quick tip.